Downloading data from Kayak can help you keep track of your travel plans and preferences. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your Kayak account. Visit the Kayak website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Locate data download option. In the account settings menu, search for an option related to data privacy or data download. This section may vary, so look for terms like download data or export data. Step 4. Select data types. After finding the data download option, you may be prompted to choose which types of data you want to download. This could include travel itineraries, saved searches, or preferences. Make your selections accordingly. Step 5. Confirm and download. Once you have selected the desired data types, confirm your choices and initiate the download. The data will typically be sent to your registered email or downloaded directly to your device in a specified format. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from Kayak. Enjoy organizing your travel information.